Hey, I just wanted to make a review of this USB 3.0 hub that I got from Amazon. It's by Sabrent and it supports 4 USB 3.0 connections. And it also has buttons so you can turn on each of them individually and they light up, as you can see here. Let me turn off the light so you know which ones are. They're not that bright, but it's fine. Can't complain about that. So basically, let me try to connect this here. So right now, my USB is recognized. Actually, let me plug in this one. Okay, so you can see that it's recognizing it. But there is, can't see it there, but it is recognizing it. You can see here that I can open my file. These are the 2 drives I just put in. But it's working now. The only problem is when you restart the computer, there is a problem with this. So let me show you after I restart my computer. The whole point you get this USB 3.0 extension hub is to have it always connected to your computer and serve as a hub, so you can use 4 different USB. Okay, it's logged in. Let me open my computer. Okay. Alright, so turning it on, plugging it in. Okay, you see, it's not working. It's lit. So you know that it has power, but it does not recognize it. It's not coming up. That's the only problem. When you every time you shut down the computer and you try to connect any type of device on this, it will not. I'm pretty sure it probably works the same way. Even if you have it already connected and you turn off the computer, it will not recognize. I don't know if this is a faulty hub or not, but that's the only problem. And the only way to get this to actually start recognizing it is to actually disconnect. I don't know if you see it here, but probably not. But you have to disconnect it from the cable here that I don't know if you see this, but this is the cable extension that I have. So let me disconnect that and connect it back. And that's when it'll actually work. And there you go, now it's recognizing it. So that's the only problem. I don't know if everybody has this problem or if I have a defective problem. But yeah, that's my review. Thank you.